back to my channel. To start off this look, make sure you have a clean face, and then I'm gonna apply Tarte's Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer all over my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush with my Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the tone Tan Deep Sand. To highlight and also correct my under eye area, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in Yellow Corrector. As you can see, I also applied it on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the forehead, the cupid's bow, and the chin. Moving on, I'm using the new F04 Extreme Structure Contour by Sigma with my Motives Cosmetics Sculpt Series in Blaze, and I'm using this to contour the areas like my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and the jawline. Now to blend the highlighted areas, I'm using the new Sigma F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter Brush, and I sprayed a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on there just so the product will glide better. Then going back with the F04 Extreme Structure Contour Brush, I'm spraying a little bit of Fix Plus on there also, and then I'm going to use this to blend out the cream contour. And I'm just blending away. I'm just trying to get rid of any line of demarcation. And then for the cheek area, I'm just blending it upwards because we want that contour a little bit higher. And please don't forget to check out the description box because I will have all the details down below. Once I'm done blending those, I'm going to go back with the F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter with my HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder, and I'm just gonna apply that on the areas where I want to set, like the highlighted areas, pretty much. Next, I'm going in with Sigma's F23 Soft Angled Contour Brush with my MAC Studio Fix Foundation in C6, and I'm applying this on top of the cream contour, and this will just set it, and also it'll serve as a transition shade for my intense contour later on. To define my cheekbones, I'm going to use Sigma's F77 Chisel and Trim Contour Brush with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and as you can see, I just drew a line just like that. Now to make that last step seamless, I'm using Sigma's F57 Emphasized Contour Brush with a Social Butterfly, and this palette actually came from one of the holidays collection from Tarte. Now moving on with Sigma's F56 Accentuate Highlight Brush, I'm using Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Light Reflecting Loose Powder in a Snow Gold, and I'm applying this on the highest points of my face. Now to bring back color, I'm using Sigma's F37 Spotlight Duster Brush with Milani Cosmetics Romantic Rose Powder Blush. And I'm just applying that on my cheeks and chin. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys learned something. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.